everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a ghee, grita, and what's the benefit of this ghee or grita. So to first thing, to making a organic ghee at our home, we need a unsalted butter, and that butter also should be from a cow, and even this cow should be a feed of the only grass and non-hormonized milk butter also we needed. So for that I prepare this butter at my home, and after preparing this butter we are making this butter warm, or we can give a heat. We collect it in one pan, and in the low flame we have to keep this butter just heated in very low flame. So you guys can see here, after 15-20 minutes the some solid part will go down to the bottom and some liquid part come up. So this liquid part is our ghee, and we will filter it and we can store it at a room temperature. No need to refrigerate or nothing. Even the ghee as always is more beneficial. And why Ayurveda says this ghee is very much beneficial? Because the ghee is the best rasayana, means the best rejuvenation thing. Even this ghee will increase your oja. So definitely it will increase our immunity, and with this ghee your vata and pitta got subside very nicely. Even ghee is the best poisonous drug. So if in your body any allergy or any chemicals which giving you some trouble, so ghee can fight against that also. Even nowadays we are eating so much pesticides food, so we should definitely add little bit grita also. Even this ghee has a short fatty chain acid, we can say. So if this ghee goes into the liver in the digestion, and we can it will increase our energy. So this ghee is not increase your fat tissue, not your adipose tissue, but it will build up your muscles. Even this ghee is the best anti-depression thing. So you can fight against your depression. Even you know that only one thing is cross our brain barrier. It's only grita. Even Ayurveda, ghee is a medhya, so it will increase your intelligence. Even Ayurveda says that who in your childhood eat more ghee, that are more intelligent child. So definitely we should eat ghee every day little bit, and we should increase our intelligence. Even in this grita there is a butyric acid. So this butyric acid we needed to make our inflammation reduce in the intestine. So even this butyric acid we need to grow of natural bacteria of our gut, and very good bacteria growth we needed it. After 20-50 minutes I steering it to the low flame. Now you guys can see some solid brown part goes onto the bottom and some liquid part coming up separate. So this liquid part is our ghee. And even you know, among all the cooking oil, the ghee has the highest boiling temperature. So this ghee is only suitable for the baking products like cookies and bakery items. And unfortunately, all the bakery items using the vegetable oil, who has no any highest temperature boiling point, so it will be harm for us, and it results for the cancers. So even ghee is a fight against the cancer cells also. Even who has a lactose intolerance, who cannot able to digest milk, all the Ayurveda says milk is the best rejuvenation, best rasayana, and it will increase your oja, immunity very nicely. But in the ghee, this lactose is converted into the lactic acid. So these people also can able to eat ghee and can digest ghee. So please consume 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon every day the ghee. Now you guys can able to see how I will separate it. It's almost ready now. So definitely we should eat the ghee every day, and we should make it our home. Thank you.